What's up, guys? We're back. Today we're going to be replacing the fog lights on a '09 Camry. Making the entire housing. First we got to get underneath the car, get this little access flap open. Next we go up to the fog light itself. First you're going to take this little plug, press the clip, and wiggle it off. That's not good. But we're replacing these for a reason. Next, see up here. Off to the left side of it, there's going to be one screw. Not sure if you can see that there. Right on the outside. So to the left of the driver's, right on the passenger side. Let's see if I can get a zoom out. See, the screw is right here. So, right at the Phillips head. Do that. That's the only thing holding this thing in besides the clip. Just pull it right out. So now we have our fog light out, and we can get our new one put in. Just reverse the process. So here's how it looks from this side. Gotta go and take this side and rock it in those. Just feel it go in, give it a little tug, and then from the inside, getting that little one screw put in. Like, if you have an idea what you're doing, like from this video, you can really do it without even looking. Just two little clips to rock in, and then the one little screw on the outside. After that, just plug in your harness and you're good to go. To make sure button up the little cover underneath. That's it for today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if this has been help you. And I will get back to you next time. Bye.